Hi everyone, I just wanted to say hello, sending you love from my home in Boulder. And I just finished being interviewed for a wonderful Telesummit. You'll get an email about it soon. But I was so inspired by our conversation, living a heartful, soulful life, that I wanted to send you this additional message right now in the video and inspire you to really tune into yourself. What inspires you every day? Are you willing to give yourself the most nourishing, most luscious, most abundant, most enjoyable life? Because it really depends on you. It's your choice in every moment to give it to yourself. Nobody else will give it to you. Your parents won't give it to you, your grandparents won't give it to you, your children won't give it to you, your pets won't give it to you. Even your best friends won't give it to you. Like maybe sometimes they give, maybe there are moments that you feel deeply held and nourished and supported by your friends and family. That's wonderful. I hope that is the case in your life. But ultimately it's your choice, moment to moment, day by day. What do you give yourself? And even when it comes to friends and family, it's also your choice. What kind of friends do you give yourself? What kind of situations, what kind of conversations do you give yourself? What kind of connections with your family do you give yourself? It's really your choice. And it's so important to take ownership of the fact that this is you that's choosing it. And so much empowerment and ease and freedom comes with it when people start choosing consciously like this. Because otherwise they're just waiting for somebody else to come along and give them good time, waiting for someone else to come along and tell that they are lovable. But really, I've seen it again with my clients, with my students, when they take ownership of their choice and realize, wow, how much power there is in their choice, their whole life changes around and a whole new path shows up with new opportunities, new possibilities, new synchronicities, because they are in that place of alignment, in that place of choice, knowing that they deserve the best, knowing that they do deserve the best, and they give it to themselves consciously and happily. So I'm going to leave it at that. I hope you have a wonderful rest of day choosing consciously, loving yourself, and I look forward to connecting with you soon.